What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are checking out the Ethereum US dollar pair, looking very bullish, but now we are forming a bearish pattern, guys. Be very careful because we might have a huge retracement. We're also going to check out the BTC US dollar pair and also Litcoin US dollar. Are we going to break out these levels and come to the upside and retest the resistance of this symmetrical triangle? We'll be discussing this today. And the Bitcoin dominance looking to break these levels. If we break these levels, guys, and come all the way down here, we are going to see the biggest altcoin season we've ever seen before. If you're interested in trading, guys, make sure to check out the PrimeXbt trading platform. If you use my link in the description and Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promotion code, you'll be getting 50% in addition of what you deposit. If you have any questions at all, let me know in the comment section. And said this, let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here, and welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis and news on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say. And if you do so, do your own research. And said this, let's go straight into the charts. All right, guys, zooming in here on the 30-minute chart, we can see Ethereum is looking extremely bullish. Okay, we've broken out of this symmetrical triangle like I showed you on the video yesterday. We did it with a decent amount of volume. Okay, but now we are forming this ascending wedge, which is a bearish pattern. This means that the bulls are losing steam. Okay, we have this point here, this higher high, and this higher high already making this trend line. Okay, and we did hit the resistance area here, and also just now, half an hour ago, we've just hit the resistance here also. So we did create this bull pennant. We broke to the upside, but we are forming this ascending wedge, which is very bearish. I think it's about 60-65% of the times usually breaks to the downside. The measured move would be coming all the way down to the wedge here, which is at the $1,770 range. I do not think we're going to come all the way down here because we have great support area where this resistance of the symmetrical triangle, okay, we should be hitting the resistance of the symmetrical triangle, turning it into support, and also this green box area, which has been great resistance in the past here from this shoulder, head and shoulder pattern. And I think with the first stop is going to be just right there. You know, we've got support from the symmetrical triangle and the green box area. Very hard for the Ethereum price to break down these levels. But if we break down, first target would be the $1,850 range. Okay, guys, we might break to the upside. Okay, we have seen ascending wedges break to the upside, and the next stop would be the all-time high. Obviously, we are going to get a little rejection over there because usually to break an all-time high, it doesn't break instantly. We might have a consolidation phase around the $2,040 range. This is the update I got for you guys for the Ethereum US dollar pair. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin US dollar pair. It looks like here on the 1 hourly chart, we formed this diamond reversal pattern. Okay, we did have a breakout here to the upside, but not too much volume, so it was a kind of a fake out. The measured move from a diamond reversal pattern is from the bottom to the leg to the formation of the diamond reversal pattern, and from the breakout, okay, we can see the target to the upside would be $61,000, and to the downside would be round about the $56,500 range. Okay, but we are not going to hit that target straight away to the upside or to the downside because we have major resistance. We've got this resistance right here at the $60,000 range. We did have an attempt there, and also several attempts right over here. Okay, so if we break to the upside, we might get a little bit of rejection from this area. And if we break to the downside, we're not going to go straight away to the $56,500 range. We will have another stop right over here in this green box territory because it's been a major support and major resistance, as you can see right over here. So this is what I've got for the Bitcoin US dollar pair. Okay, break to the upside. You know, these are the resistance and support areas before we meet the target from this diamond reversal pattern. Let's take a quick look at Litcoin US dollar. Litcoin is looking extremely bullish, guys. As I mentioned before, you know, this looks like a kind of inverse shoulder, head and shoulder pattern, as you can see just right there. There's a lot of choppiness here, a lot of volatility. This is just noise, guys. but you need to pay attention, just like here, okay? We have a lot of noise there. We create the head, then the other shoulder, and then we actually break to the downside and meet the target. You're not going to see a beautiful head and shoulder like that, okay, guys? There's a lot of noise, there's a lot of volatility, so this is the pattern. But as you can see, the measured move from this head and shoulders pattern from the breakout, okay, we've met the target nicely here, as you can see. So this is what I'm expecting for the Litecoin US dollar pair. You know, this is a shoulder, head, and the other shoulder. So from this the point of the head to the neckline, from the breakout, okay. Obviously, we are not going to meet the $220 range. We will get rejected at this resistance area, all depending when we are going to arrive. As you can see, we are forming like a symmetrical triangle, which is very bullish because we are coming from an uptrend. Okay, so I do believe we are going to retest this in the next couple of days, which is around about the $210. Okay, all depending on when we're going to arrive. But and obviously after that, breaking to the upside. This is what we're expecting. We are in a bull market, so who knows? Unless some whale comes and sells, you know, a few million Litecoins, well, then we might have a huge dump. But the structure is looking very bullish, guys, for Litecoin. Let's take a look at the BTC dominance, guys. This is extremely exciting for altcoins. This is the Bitcoin dominance is now at 59.8%, meaning that all the market capitalization of the cryptocurrency market, almost 60% is in Bitcoin. Okay, so if the dominance of Bitcoin comes all the way down to the 50% levels, you know, coming down 10%, that means that 10% of all of that money that's in cryptocurrency is going to go to altcoins, coming out from Bitcoin, going to altcoins. Okay, I came with this shoulder, head and shoulder pattern. Okay, the neckline coming up, we have this clear support area right over there. Okay, also we have a touch there, you know, one over here, you know, and also here, and now we are getting, you know, just to the very end here. Looks like we want to break down. We've been here for a few weeks right now, and if we break to the downside, you know, we can clearly see this is a shoulder, a head, shoulder, okay, and we're bouncing consistently from this trend line. If we break to the downside, you know, the supposed technical measured move would be getting the head to the neckline, and from the breakout, you know, we can see a few weeks or a few months of a huge alt season. Obviously, we might come, it's not going to go down in a straight line, but if we come to the 45% levels, it's going to be huge for altcoins. As you can see, in 2017, we did have this huge drop right here. Okay, this fell, you know, almost 50%, absolutely insane. It went from 70% all the way to 35%. And this was in a few weeks, guys. And this is when we saw XRP, you know, Neo, all these altcoins just doing 50x, 100x. It went absolutely crazy. Loads of people made millions. Okay, we might see this also happen in this cycle in the next few weeks, next coming months. You know, we might see the dominance come down. The technicals show that this looks like it wants to break to the downside. We might just reverse from here and come into the upside. This is also a possibility, guys, but the technicals say that we are going to come down. This is going to be it for today's episode. Make sure to smash up the like button and check out the Bitcoinsensus website, guys. We've got great tutorials and reviews on how to buy, how to store, how to trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies safely. We've got price predictions, guys, and latest technical analysis and news. So I'll be leaving a link in the description so you can check out the website. And if you haven't seen my Bybit tutorial, a video popping up on the screen, a massive thank you for tuning in, and make sure to smash up the like button on your way out, and I'll see you in the next one.